The Nairobi Securities Exchange continued with its bear run, closing the day at 2,383.12 points on the benchmark NSE 20-share index. These and other global markets inched up marginally as the novel COVID-19 virus continues to create shockwaves in the global economy. But speaking to Citizen TV's Faizal Ahmed, NSE CEO Geoffrey Odundo says that the poor run in the region's largest and most active bourse has got little to do with the spread of the coronavirus.
Despite suffering its lowest run in 16 years, Nairobi Securities Exchange CEO Geoffrey Odundo insists the market remains insulated from the effects of the global spread of coronavirus.
Despite the index being where it is, the average volumes that we've seen, for instance, since the beginning of end of February, early March, is an average of about 800 million. So if there's an impact of corona, then what would happen is investors would actually reduce their investment values or allocation to the markets. But the volumes are still going higher. The average volumes are still going higher. So that means there's still investments taking place. When we look at the net inflow-outflow, it is positive to inflow.
In performance recorded on Friday, the NSE 20-share index, which tracks the performance of the top 20 listed stocks at the browse, dropped 2,337 points. This a mirror of the drop witnessed in the same week by global markets as a result of the spread of the coronavirus. The sell-offs market analysts have attributed to the risk averseness by foreign investors. Odundo, however, insists the two are distinctly related and that the NSE can only benefit from global falls.
If there's a risk heightened, say in the developed markets, you might see them reallocating more money to a frontier market like us. So there might be a positive effect, so to speak, if they do not decide to reduce the allocation and take them to the fixed income segment.
As the world grapples with the virus that has seen over 2,000 people dead and 90,000 plus confirmed cases, several businesses and companies have closed down. This has resulted in a readjustment of global economic outlook and profit readjustments too. But for the NSE, they insist creating awareness to the public could once again boost their performance in the market that has continued to suffer from a listing dry spell.
We will probably focus on getting even our regional and inter-Africa trading, cross-border trading more strongly. I think that's the focus as African markets. We're currently working on an Africa linkage program among exchanges, and that will be a way that will allow us also to increase trading.
Despite most global markets losing up to 10% of their share value due to the coronavirus outbreak, the NSE says that it has not yet felt any effect in relation to the coronavirus. However, it has put measures in place just in case. Faizal Ahmed, Citizen TV, Nairobi.